Setting up your LifeWave X₂O light-infused water technology system. Place LifeWave X₂O on a flat, stable surface. Store the packaging safely in case a return is needed. Plug in power supply, switch on, and the screen will illuminate. Place drain hose in sink. Turn primary valve to flush and power on. And clean water and refill as needed. Go to Settings, Flush Filter, Flush Primary. Return valve to normal. Turn secondary valve to flush. And clean water and refill as needed. Select Flush Secondary in Settings. Return valve to normal. Store hose. Close cover. Tap Confirm. Fill the reservoir with clean water. Light infusion begins automatically. It's 45 to 50 minutes for 2 glasses. Place glass in the LifeWave X₂O and dispense. For the best results, consume immediately after dispensing on an empty stomach.